What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for all the new followers that are just watching this for the first time today, I create videos to help you guys become better at your personal health, personal finances, and really skyrocket your business. Today, I want to talk to you about the top 5 mindsets that will change your life. So let's get right into it. And be sure to watch till the end because I'm dropping some real bonus tips that you don't want to miss. So first off, I want to start by saying that each of these 5 tips, there is no particular orders on which one is more important. I think it's a combination of all of them that will allow you to really make massive growth in your life so that you can make some big things happen. Number 1, you gotta help yourself first. Now this is a mindset you gotta teach yourself because, as a parent, I tell my kids share, work well with other kids, but in reality, in the real life, they actually have to help themselves first. Because if you're not financially stable or financially free or abundant, how much help can you offer your peers if you're on limited supply, right? Think of it that way. If I only had a quarter tank of gas and you ran out, how much can I really give you? Because if I give you my quarter tank, now I'm stuck. Help yourself, and then when you have the abundance, go out and help everyone else. Don't screw people over, guys. Don't take my message the wrong way. All I'm saying is, you got to make sure that you are in a position to help people. Until you get there, make sure that you're the number 1 priority. Let's go. Number 2, this is important. You have to have clarity in what it is that you want to achieve and what it is that you want to go out there and do. So what does having clarity mean? It can mean a lot of things, right? In your personal life, is it, spending X amount of time with your family and doing this stuff with your kids? In business, is it starting this new venture, whether it be a boba shop or a coffee shop or becoming a realtor? Whatever it is, write it down. Be very specific in what it is so that you can focus and stay on that one path. Life is kind of funny, and the people around you are always going to be sharing that new shiny object, and it's going to want to make you want to go this way, right? Off the path. But you don't want to do that because you have clarity, and in your path, you stick with it and you focus on that one thing. Which leads me to number 3 on helping you build a better mindset, which is you have to block out the noise. And there's 2 parts to this. Number 1, you have to block out the distractions that are going to take you off your path. The second thing is you also have to block out all the negative energy and all the negative sayings that's going to happen when you're on this journey to better self-improvement or to better business. I mean, I've done this for multiple years, and that's the hardest part, is you have to start blocking it out, because what happens if you let it come in, it will drag you down. So let's not do that, guys. Put up your defenses. Stay focused, clarity, and blocking out the negative. Let's go. Number 4 sounds a little bit crazy, but listen to me. You have to have positive talks with yourself and about yourself. The way you describe yourself and the way that you present yourself outside there in the world means a lot. It means a lot because, like I said, going back, you have to have that high self-worth. You have to have that high self-confidence, and it doesn't work if you talk badly about yourself. Look, if you're overweight, granted, you have to work towards getting in better shape, but never, ever tell yourself that you're fat, you're lazy, okay? You're making an improvement. You are building yourself to be in better shape. There is a saying, there's a quote that I live by. Never talk badly about yourself because the warrior inside is listening. Remember that, guys. So let's talk positive. Number 5, guys, and this is the final tip to help you master the mindset for massive success. You never, ever let your failures define who you are. Your failures help build you to become the better warrior tomorrow. Your failures help teach you the valuable lessons that you will never forget. But your failures do not determine who you are and what you will become. And the bonus tip, guys, as I promised you guys in the beginning of the video, is this: always be learning. Always change, always be evolving like a caterpillar to a butterfly. And the reason why is because these top 5 mindset things are just the beginning. And you will have to change your mindset to adapt to those challenges. So always learn, guys. And I just hope that in this video, these 5 mindset tips sets you guys off on the path for success. If you guys agree, hit that comment section. Thanks so much for watching the whole video. And honestly, guys, I just want to see you guys do so well. I want to build a community that is strong, powerful, uplifting, so we can go out there and tackle this crazy world we're in. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it.